Hi, cocktail connoisseur. I'm Lucila Calichio from Monos, Buenos Aires, Argentina. And right now we're making Chimi Hendrix, which is a twist on a whiskey highball that we have right now on our menu. And it's called Chimi Hendrix because we're using chimichurri, which is an Argentinian spice. And we mix it with our own whiskey, which is corn whiskey. We're using 15 milliliters of that, and the rest is just pineapple and chimichurri and honey. So we mix all of that. We add whiskey, and then we add ginger ale. So this is a really refreshing highball, but also smoky and spicy, which is really good. And it's a very Argentinian highball too. So we add malted whiskey, a little bit of lemon peel, pineapple, and a fresh leaf here. That's it. Amazing. Cheers. Salud.